someone else's garden. So it's pretty cold up there. It's like 10 degrees, something like that. Can't wait for the Philippines and the hot weather. Then I would have to complain about the hot weather after. So we are here at my auntie place, and now we're gonna go to some museum or something like that. Just walking around. So we have an hour to kill before the visit of the mine. My grandfather actually used to work here in the mine. Well, he used to work in the office, not really under. But yeah. So they really keep everything intact and untouched. You can see the rail to push the trolley on top. Like this. So they didn't change anything. We're just gonna go under after to have a guide visit us. So we now make a stop over to my cousin's house, and I just slept for like an hour. Afternoon nap is really bad. I'm so fucking tired, more tired than before. Anyway, I have another 4 hours to drive now, with my dad shouting on me to stop speeding, put indicator, do this, do that, because I'm not used to drive anymore, but it'll be okay. Tomorrow we're just gonna stay home and chill, probably go to eat somewhere and enjoy the swimming pool, and then on Friday we're going back to London. So I'm trying to do those daily vlogs for holiday to see how it goes. It's not that bad, but I start to work out how to edit faster, and then once I get to the Philippines I'll do it daily for a month to show around a bit how the thing goes. What the fuck is it? It's not too hot, but it's okay. So now we finished the road trip back home. We're gonna eat, so I'll leave you here. I'll show you some food.